Cfillion's project Underrun Monitor. On the forum, I found this post from him. Cfillion is the person that created ReaPack, so he's very well trusted in the community. And he's made this monitor that will put in markers in your project whenever you run into a media or audio underrun. So little clicks and crackles and things like that, it will put in markers in your project when those things occur. I'm going to run this. I don't know if we're actually going to hear an issue. I should actually mute this project. If I jump around, the first time I played it, it did get one. It's responding pretty well. The more PDC you have, the more, the lower your buffer size, all those sorts of things, that will impact the, the stability of the project. Let me put this down to a 32 sample buffer, turn off anticipative effects, and let's just see it like, there we go. So yeah, constant crackles that way. Don't set your project that way. Okay, but if it's just a 32 sample buffer and I jump around, there are some audio underruns. Yeah, trying to force my CPU to underrun is probably what happened there. That should be fun to edit. Davi in the chat had a good suggestion, good for podcasters. Yes, have this running in the background while you're doing your recording, and these markers could pop up and indicate where there might be a click that you need to draw out or something like that, or just give you an indication that this audio recording didn't happen perfectly. Because Reaper doesn't stop whenever there's some sort of dropout. CPU or can't get audio off the disk fast enough, those sorts of things. So this can be a helpful tool. Not a whole lot else to say about that. With vinyl recording, I don't think it would help in that situation where the crackles are happening in the actual record. The crackles aren't caused by Reaper, your audio interface, or playing back the media. It's part of the physical disk.